If your energy levels look like a flat tire, you're in need of Mitolyn. Let's get you back on track. Mitolyn is a revolutionary dietary supplement designed to optimize your mitochondrial function. What's that mean for you? Faster fat burning, boosted energy, and a supercharged metabolism. Packed with 6 powerhouse ingredients like maqui berry and rhodiola, Mitolyn helps you reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and support your overall metabolic health. Say goodbye to oxidative stress and hello to a vibrant, energetic you. People like Peggy shed 35 pounds and feel more energized than ever. Russell lost 29 pounds and feels lighter and more active. Amazing, right? Taking just 1 capsule daily can transform your life. Manufactured in FDA-registered facilities, Mitolyn is non-GMO, stimulant-free and non-habit-forming, ensuring premium quality and safety. Grab a 3 or 6 bottle package now and enjoy exclusive bonuses like detox recipes and stress relief tips. Plus, with our 90-day money-back guarantee, there's 0 risk. Transform your body and energy with Mitolyn. Copy and paste the link in the description to order now.